Have you ever seen machines devour trees like they're nothing? Prepare for a thrilling adventure where raw power meets nature's toughest tests. Massive logging equipment, fearless operators, and sheer determination clash in a high-stakes battle for the wilderness. It's not just logging, it's domination. The Pezzolato All Road 1400/1000 isn't just powerful, it's unstoppable. Its 700 horsepower Volvo engine devours 800mm logs, turning them into 380 cubic meters of wood chips every hour. The rotating cabin gives operators unmatched control, making even the toughest jobs feel effortless. Ever wondered how it feels to operate such a beast? Lumberjacks are the unsung heroes of the forest. They brave harsh conditions, heavy equipment, and dangerous tasks daily. Their skills keep the industry running, and their grit deserves more than just respect. It deserves our admiration. Could you handle the dangers they face every day? Meet the OSA 270 Helgum, a machine built for the toughest terrains. Its advanced leveling system keeps it steady, even while hauling 12 tons of timber. Pair it with the OSA 270 processor, and you've got a duo that's ready to tackle any challenge, from log forwarding to precision processing. Talk about versatility. Step back in time with Mr. Maka, one of Japan's last horse loggers. Watch him guide his horse skillfully through Tono City's forests, using techniques passed down through generations. It's not just about cutting wood, it's about tradition, respect for nature, and the artistry of a fading craft. Who says you need fancy equipment to get the job done? This backyard woodcutter, built with ingenuity and hard work, runs like a professional machine. After a little elbow grease, it turns timber into usable resources with ease. Sometimes, innovation starts in your own backyard. The 1974 Kenworth Big James is more than just a truck. It's a time capsule. Powered by the legendary Detroit 12V71 engine, Its deep rumble brings back the days of classic logging, diesel fumes, and the smell of pine. Can you hear the nostalgia in every rev eye?
Put your blade down, you're gonna start digging around, maybe with the ruts and stuff rubbed out.
Excavating is about finesse, not just force. Watch as the Cat 305E2 operator expertly uses leverage and control to lift a massive root ball with precision. It's not just about moving dirt, it's about doing it with skill, efficiency, and a touch of mastery that only experience can bring.
Like that, and just kind of peel it off.
The VM60SR mulcher doesn't just clear land, it transforms it. Turning debris into valuable mulch, it helps enrich the soil and support future growth. It's a sustainable approach to land management that turns waste into a resource. Who says logging can't be eco-friendly? Get ready for a spine-tingling thrill. We're talking about the ultimate challenge for lumberjacks, their worst nightmare that keeps them sharp and always on edge. You're curious, aren't you? Let's dive in and see what makes this beast so legendary. The Dipper Fox SC600 stump grinder is a powerhouse. Reducing even the toughest stumps to sawdust in seconds, it combines speed and raw grinding force for maximum efficiency. Think of it as a wood chipper on steroids, ready to tackle any challenge in its path. In the dead of winter, when temperatures drop and snow blankets the ground, loggers don't back down. With the TDT-55 machines, they brave the elements, ensuring operations continue. It's not just about cutting trees, it's about conquering nature's toughest challenges with sheer determination. Pruning isn't just maintenance, it's a vital practice for forest health. By removing dead branches, trees can focus their energy on stronger growth, leading to a more resilient ecosystem. It's nature's version of a fresh start, ensuring the forest thrives year after year. This wood chipper might be compact, but it's built for big jobs, handling trees up to 200 millimeters in diameter and producing 14 cubic meters of wood chips per hour. It turns raw timber into valuable resources with speed and precision. Small but mighty, it gets the job done. Logging isn't a one-person job, it's a team effort. Watch as the crew navigates challenging terrain, using skidders and dozers to move timber from even the toughest spots. Their coordination is seamless, showcasing the hard work and dedication that keep the industry thriving. The Hypro 755HB harvester isn't just about power, it's about precision. With the ability to cut through 45-centimeter thick trunks while minimizing ground disturbance, it ensures sustainable logging practices. It's designed to get the job done right, without compromising the environment. Thanks for joining us on this journey through the world of logging. We've explored powerful machines, met skilled operators, and witnessed the incredible feats of forestry. Don't miss out. Subscribe for more action-packed content and stay tuned for the next adventure. Keep it extreme.